Hey guys, today we're going to make some beautiful baked beans. We're in the garden with the beautiful family and we're going to cut some greens. Let's do it. And I picked some beautiful spring onion and some silver beet and spinach and parsley. This recipe for my homemade baked beans takes less than 15 minutes. It is so simple, but tastes so good. And it is so much better than the garbage from the supermarkets. The baked beans are full of sugar, full of nasties, but this is just homegrown, beautiful, and tastes good and is healthy for you. So today, I'm gonna cut up my spring onion. It is so simple, less than 15 minutes this recipe. So cut it up. You could use a normal onion, but I'm trying to be a little bit quicker. So that's why we're going for the spring onion. You can cut it thin, you can cut it chunky. It's really up to you. I'm gonna do the whole spring onion because today I'm actually cooking up a feast and I'm cooking for lots of people. So we're going to do the whole thing. After we've done spring onion, we're going to cut up some beautiful silver beet and some beautiful spinach. You can use whatever greens you like, but use something that will cook nice and quickly so that you can do it in less than 15 minutes. You know, maybe you've come home from work and you want to have something healthy for dinner, but you don't want it to take a long time. I'm telling you, this meal is so simple. What you can do if you want it just to go to the next level, you can have a bit like a bolognese where you just let it simmer and simmer. You can let the baked beans simmer in the pan and the taste just starts getting better and better. So there's that, we're good. And then some parsley. If you have basil in the garden, you can do that, which we did have basil, but we might put that on top of it. And there we go. And there's my greens. Doesn't have to be anything fancy, just needs to be cut up like that, nice and rough. So I'm gonna go and get my cooker and we're gonna start cooking up a feast. Hey guys, I'm back and I have my cooker. I've started cooking it, I've just got it on low. I'm gonna get my olive oil, put it in the pan, and I'm gonna put my spring onions in. This is where you could put your normal onions in. It's just gonna take a little bit longer. And if you wanna be quick, or if you wanna get home, from work, you want to quickly get your dinner on, get Netflix on, this is where the spring onion works well. So we're going to put that in the pan and we're going to stir it up. And just let them fry up a bit, cook off a bit, and just get nice and soft. You could put some garlic in now. Woo, it's spitting. So once they've been in there for a few minutes, then you get your tomatoes. And you place them in the pot. You put some Italian herbs in. You can use whatever herbs you like. You can use some fresh herbs from the garden. You can use basil, parsley, anything. Salt and pepper, chuck that in. And then you stir again. And then once it's been simmering for a few minutes, then you get your lovely greens. You plop them in. Stir it all in together. So with the greens, you let them simmer in the beautiful tomatoes for about 5 minutes. Just let the flavors entwine with each other a bit longer. And then you get your white beans and you plop them in. Ooh. That's a little messy. Got a few off the table, but that's all right. And then you just slowly put them through the mixture. You don't want to be too hard. Sometimes the white beans can be a bit delicate, but we'll put them through. Alrighty. Guys, less than 15 minutes and we are finished. Let's see what it looks like. Take a look at that. I wish you could smell it. Less than 15 minutes. I'm ready for Netflix. It's healthy, it's tasty, and I can't wait to get into it. So guys, if you haven't liked our channel, subscribe to us, like the video, and try some baked beans and enjoy. Oh, so good. Thanks guys.